All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're going to take a look at what's going on around the shop. Bam Bam is doing cam and lifters on a Chevrolet Silverado. This CRV is actually in for an intermittent AC complaint. Bam Bam's got to mess with it tomorrow, see if he can replicate the customer complaint. Me, well, I got having fun with BMW. As you can see by that mess, used to be of the belt. Had to put a new crank seal in it. I'm going to reseal the filter stand. I haven't been able to get back to it because of other stuff going on, but the belt part of it's all done. I just got to put hose that of course broke and do the filter stand and ship this tomorrow, hopefully. You think somebody was over here filming YouTube videos. This F-150 is just in my bay because it has a firearm in it, and we didn't want to leave it in the parking lot and have it, get broken into and gun out on the street. Had a caliper seized up, so Jesse put calipers and brakes on it. It also has a check engine light, and imagine that, a 3-valve that needs an engine. It probably could get away with doing timing chains and all that, but almost 200,000 miles on it. We have a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty, and the likelihood of it making it out of that warranty period, not very likely. This Yukon Zach has, it's got a transmission fluid leak coming out of the tail shaft. This Jeep Wrangler needed a AC condenser, transmission cooler, and radiator due to, it hit something. And axle seal was leaking like a sieve, along with ABS faults. Josh has a broken shifter cable on this Corolla, and he's actually getting his own computer as soon as the boss man gets it all set up. So we'll have another computer workstation in the shop. Well, Daniel's bay is empty. He's actually got one car over in Jesse's bay because Jesse's off tomorrow. But Daniel did get a nice new roll cart from Matco. You know, considering that's his weenie old toolbox, he decided to upgrade and get a roll cart. Daniel has front brakes and a brake flush on this Pilot. We have a new guy at the shop, Cole. This is his tools. He had to do a starter at the end of the day. Well, actually a warranty starter, because, they can't seem to build a starter that, works right out of the box. So he wound up having to put a second one at the end of the day. He's a young kid, just moved here to Atlanta from a Nissan dealership, and he's the new kid, the FNG at the shop. He turned out some good work today, including that starter twice at the end of the day. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, subscribe. Make sure and hit that bell notification so you get notified when I put out a new video. You didn't like what's going on around the shop? Give me a thumbs down. Comments are always appreciated, and as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.